Gary Hannigan from Turinga Station, my wife Tracy, and this is a grazing property 70 k's west of Wilcannia, 120,000 acres or about 50,000 hectares, set up mainly for sheep grazing operation. The African breeds of sheep are browsers more so than grazers like a traditional merino breed, so they actually eat a wider variety of vegetation, which is one of the reasons why they do so well in this country, and it also gives them a higher level of vitamins and mineral intake. The Dorpers are a wool and haired breed. They have like a layer of wool along their back and down their sides. The Damar is a fat-tailed breed where it stores its fat as energy in its tail, and then in drier times it sort of uses the fat back into its body as energy. Our production here is totally 100% native vegetation and no use of any chemicals or fertilisers, and no sort of artificial disturbance of the soil. We feel that we can produce a world-class organic product in harmony with the environment. We work with nature rather than against it. I think it's probably a lot simpler than people think to be sustainable and profitable in this region out here. Probably the key is matching stocking rate to carrying capacity, and that is probably one of the most crucial things. We're generally running 1 sheep to 20 acres. It's a viable operation, and it's also very environmentally friendly. The land's actually ideally suited for grazing, simply because the grazing process actually helps with the soil profile. Eating the vegetation down and letting it regrow again is also putting carbon back into the soil. So actually livestock are a crucial part of maintaining this land in the state it's in. The soil here actually is exceptionally fertile, but it's normally the lack of rain is why you don't see a lot of vegetation on it. As you can see, you only need to add water and you can grow anything in this country. The old timers say it's that good out here you can fatten a fence post. This is extremely inspiring at the moment to see the country looking like this.
It's just beautiful.
I saw it this good probably in '74 when I was only a young fella, and it's nice to see it again, and hopefully I'll see it a few more times in my days, I guess.